Monkfish with prawns, clams, aged wine and Espinaler truffled almond picada. Mark the prawns in a casserole and remove them. Chop the onion and the garlic. When the onion has good color, add the garlic, and when it is cooked, incorporate the tomato. Pour in the Espinaler aged wine, and after a couple of minutes, add the cracked potatoes and the fish stock. Separately, prepare the picada with the Espinaler truffled almonds, the toasts, the parsley, and a little of the casserole stock. When the potatoes are almost cooked, add the picada, and after 5 minutes, the seasoned monkfish, the prawns, and the Espinaler clams. Enjoy!